Hey guys, this is Lance, the option teacher. I'm going to go over two really good SRX trades I took on Thursday, April 2nd. If you look at the screenshot here, 9:24, 24 seconds, I bought a SPY call at 1.93, and then we took it all the way up to 2.61. And this happened in about 9 minutes, so a little bit longer than I normally stay on. This is more of a 0 DTE swing trade, so to speak. Some trades I'll do that last a minute or a few minutes. This one lasted 9 minutes. Look at the charts here, 9:24. You can see a 9:20 had a EMA curled back to the ADMA positively. 9:25 right here, it curled downward. Then we saw a big jump. This is a break and retest because we broke above this level. Green, we retested below it again. And then I even posted on the inner circle that we were going to stay in the trade for a retest to that level or not. So I posted all this beforehand on the inner circle. This is where you get very small group coaching and one-on-one coaching from me with the SRX levels included for a whole year. Link in the description down below. I said possible SPY call around 9:18. Consider taking the call, stop a little below the R1. So this is the R1 level. Consider taking it with a stop a little bit below the R1. But then it went above. I took it all the way to R2 and swing it for R3. Actually, I took it to R3 here. So once we crossed to the R2, I took it to R3. And then if you look at the chart, R3 is this one. We actually went way above it too. I could have held it even longer to make even more profit, but I closed it out at 35%, which is perfectly fine with me. But this would have made way more than that if I held on to it longer. Then there was a second one. Look at the levels chat. I have a lot of members doing well on these. Celtic Trader constantly getting these wins. I took a small lunch trade. It was just $7, but I took it in about a minute. This was the big one because I put the sunglasses on. Another trade, bought a SPY call 654 at 1.48, sold it at 1.97. Really good gains. This was at 11:35 Central. See the 11:35 Central. See the EMA up. See the break and retest. I entered it on the break and retest. I put a stop right below the R4. And then didn't hit the stop. Went up to 11:40. See the big green candle here. And took it up past the high wick. I made another 35%. So as you can see in the chat, we're getting quite a few winners, not just me. Celtic Trader doing a lot of analysis. Stockmeister, nice bounces on the zone, and IWM as well. But I highly recommend doing SRX. Try it out at least for a month, and you might really like it. I'm doing really well so far. I'll show you some of my results. Since December 1st, $7,129 in profit. I actually started with less than $10,000 on when I first started this out. Now I'm at a $10,000 account. Average percent per trade is 9.39%. That includes the losses, and we're still above the 90% win rate. 237 wins off just 24 losses. And I keep my losses pretty minimized. You can see the daily profits I've been tracking since December 17th with a $10,000 account. Did have a few early losses, but then we're in consistent wins here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17 wins in a row, daily wins. So come join us. Link in the description down below. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. Have a good Easter weekend, and I'll see you guys on the next one.